Let's make Dream Trance. First, let's set the tempo to somewhere around 140 BPM and start with a punch kick from a sample pack. Let's take down lows from this. And after 8 bars, let's add some open hi-hats. After another 8 bars at the second half of the drop, let's add some filler hi-hats. Some claps. And some crashes every 8 bars. Guys, if you like these drums, they're from my sample pack, The House Maniac. You can get the pack using the link in the description. The pack contains more than 150 samples, which work with any house or techno genre. All the samples are high quality and it's super affordable. So if you're interested, check it out using the link in the description. Now let's find some good vocals for this. I read. I reach out, but you're a current I can't hold. I reach out. I reach out, but you're a current I can't hold. You're so warm, but now your eyes are cold. The rivers between. The rivers between us. Rivers between. Let's track them to a mixer channel and add some reverb. But you're a current I can't hold. Some delay. But you're a current I can't hold. But you're a current I can't hold. And some form and shifting. But you're a current I can't hold. Now we need a bounce bass on every other beat. Let's just sidechain this using a limiter. After 8 bars, let's add an acid. I'll sidechain this and dip some of the lows. Let's also add some repetitive plucks. Let's just take down lows from this. And use the cutoff filter to introduce to the second half of the drop like this. At the second half of the drop, let's add some dreamy chords. I'll sidechain this and use EQ to balance out the sound. And now we need some bright pianos. I'll use saturation to brighten up the sound a bit more. Then add some reverb. Some delay. And shaper box to add some slight sidechain. And I'll use this sound to make a supporting melody for the piano. Here's how it sounds together with the piano. Now let's add a sequence sound to groove up the track. I'll sidechain this. Since the drop's now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the pads and the piano. And let's simplify the piano for the intro. At the next 8 bars, let's add the sequence sound and some vocal shouts. Then some build-up drums from my sample pack. Some rises. And some downlifters. Now let's just duplicate this and change things around at the second half. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result. Realistic